Presenting the Canon Image Class LBP6030W single-function wireless printer. The printer is ideal for offices and homes with high-volume printing requirements of more than 300 pages per month. The printer is easy to use and has a space-saving compact design that will fit even in tight spaces. The printer uses laserjet technology, which provides fast prints at low cost. It can only perform print function. The printer can print in black and white only. With a good print resolution, it delivers crisp and sharp text and images. The printer comes with USB and Wi-Fi connectivity. With Canon mobile printing app, you can easily print images or documents from your iOS and Android device. With this Canon printer, you get a printing speed of 18 pages per minute and the printing cost per page is ₹3. It also supports multiple paper sizes and manual duplex printing function to help with your various print requirements. The compatible ink cartridge for this printer is CRG925. The Canon all-in-one toner cartridge integrates the photosensitive drum, cleaning unit and toner reservoir in one compact package, saving costs and making cartridge replacements easy. With Canon UFR II LT print language, the printer uses the PC's processing power, thereby effectively removing the need for expensive memory upgrades on the printer. The printer comes with an on-demand fixing technology that reduces warm-up time and enables quick and clear print. This printer is Energy Star qualified that helps it conserve energy. This product comes with 1-year on-site warranty. The printer comes with toner cartridge, setup CD, USB cable, power cable, and getting started guide. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods, or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.